Ultherapy or Pdo Threads. Ultherapy is a skin tightening treatment and a lifting treatment. Ultherapy is a non-surgical facelift, like an invisible sewing machine. Your skin grows all your life, but over the years, it's like you start noticing, oh my God, I have a jowl here, I have a jowl here, I have a jowl here. That jowling cannot be treated with either Botox or fillers. You will just have like a pillow filler face. Pdo threads are basically surgical sutures that are placed in a way where it just gives you a little bit of lift without bulking your face, because it's not a filler. It is like a support beam. So if your skin was like a fabric, we basically pull it and put a thread in just like a tailor would, and they last in your body for like 1.5 to 2 years. Just like Ultherapy is a modality to tighten and lift skin. However, I like to use both of them.